Aloe vera, a plant that has been used for centuries for its healing properties, is truly a powerhouse when it comes to skin and health benefits. One of the top benefits of aloe vera is its ability to soothe and hydrate the skin. Whether you're dealing with sunburns, irritations, or inflammations, aloe vera gel can provide instant relief and moisture, making it suitable for all skin types. But the benefits of aloe vera don't stop there. This plant is also known for its remarkable healing properties. It can accelerate wound healing, reduce scarring, and even treat minor burns and cuts effectively. Studies have shown the effectiveness of aloe vera in promoting skin regeneration and reducing inflammation, making it a must-have in your first aid kit. And did you know that aloe vera is great for your hair too? This plant promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, and conditions the scalp, leaving your locks looking healthy and shiny. You can easily incorporate aloe vera into your hair care routine by using it as a hair mask or conditioner. Beyond skin and hair, aloe vera also supports digestive health. It can soothe digestive issues like acidity, bloating, and constipation, thanks to its natural detoxifying properties. By incorporating aloe vera into your diet or consuming aloe vera juice, you can improve your gut health and overall digestion. Furthermore, aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating free radicals and supporting overall immunity. These antioxidants can also help with anti-aging and skin rejuvenation, making aloe vera a valuable addition to your skincare routine. In conclusion, aloe vera is a versatile plant with incredible benefits for your skin, hair, and overall health. By incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine, you can experience the natural wellness benefits that this plant has to offer. So why wait? Start unlocking the benefits of aloe vera today for a healthier and happier you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health and beauty tips. See you next time.